Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OBLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts, not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And overall, a good day, but I will say this is a pretty tricky chart to talk about here as I kind of stumble over my words. And the reason for that is there's a lot of perspective that goes into it, meaning if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there or you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then, yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, sure, from these highs, there was a bigger pullback, but from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's going to be the point of view that I talk about things from, the bigger picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had more of a day trader type mentality going into it. And to best illustrate this, I'm going to get rid of these lines up here, and let's just focus on this area because it'll make everything, a little bit easier to see. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but let's just say that the price continues to pull back. So the price comes down to this area here, this green line I talked about, $1.85. Behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you still have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, that progress point, again, being defined as $1.85. Now, once again, I realize that if you bought up there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps or anything like that. But that is why I offered up the warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.